Hello everyone, Daniel Yuck here. Thank you all for tuning in today. I appreciate you. Today we're going to be diving into an in-depth review. We are going to be unboxing this Mast Halo Power Supply right here from a company called Dragonhawk. I will leave links for you in the description below so you can check this out on your end. Should you have any questions at any point throughout this video, I'm going to encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive straight on into this. So this is going to be a standard power supply right here. It does look very simple and very straightforward. We will take a close-up look at the unit itself. Allow me to show you the box all the way around. As you see, it's a very simplistic, straightforward box here. And I do like to put you all in front of the product so you can kind of know what to expect on your end. So opening up the hood here, we have the Halo Power Supply right here. So this is the Halo Power Supply. As you can see, it's very reflective there. Very nice interface. And then on the back here, you have a pad where you can kind of, I guess an adhesive pad, you can stick it to something should you choose to do so. Very great. Here we have the user manual. Now feel free to pause this and read all the specifics on your end at your pace here. And in the box here, I think this is the adapter as stated right there in the user manual. So as you can see, this is going to be the adapter right there. So these are the contents. This is what comes within the setup here. And setting this up is actually really straightforward. So here we have the AC adapter. And for those who are curious, allow me to show you the adapter up close. Setting up the Halo Power Supply is very simple and straightforward. So I have the AC adapter right here, which is going to go into the back per the user manual right here. I'm going to plug it in like so, and then I'm going to get a pedal. So this is a pedal, simple straightforward pedal. I'm going to put it into that side, and we are going to place an RCA cable right here running into the tattoo machine. So on this end, I would get my RCA cord, plug it into my tattoo machine, and get the other end, plug it into the power supply. From here I can go ahead and plug in the power source. So here we have power. Now I know it's very hard to see because of the glare. Now I do love that glare, but it's very, very difficult to see here. Allow me to put the plastic cover back on here. So as you can see, we have the display. Now it's blinking on the camera right here, but out here in real life it's not blinking. So this is a solid number, it doesn't blink. So moving it to the right, as you see, fluctuates the voltage, and the light looks as though it does change per. And the top setting that it reaches is 12 volts right there, as you see. It is a click setting. And the lowest reaches 1.5 volts. So we have 1.5 volts all the way up to 12. So this right here allows you to use the power supply without a pedal. So for example, if there was no pedal attached and I wanted to run the power supply still, you can simply do so by using this button right here, which is fantastic if you ask me. So at first impressions though, this is a very simple, user-friendly, affordable power supply. Allow me to switch on over to a performance angle, and I will come back and conclude the video. Allow me to relay some of my final opinions and conclude the video here with some of my thoughts on the Halo Power Supply here. Again, I will leave links for you in the description below. So for this power supply right here, I want to kind of relay what I liked about it and what I didn't. And I'm going to go ahead and start with what I didn't like about this power supply. Now, pretty much the only thing that I didn't like about the power supply, or a couple of things, is with the backing here. I do wish that this would have been like a metal plate, maybe some sort of magnet plate that we can kind of take on and off and wipe down a lot easier than something that has an adhesive on it. So that's one thing that I didn't like about it. And then another thing is for wrapping, it was a little bit difficult rather for me to get a good solid wrapping around it and still being able to use the voltages other than the way that I showed you all, where I lay a saran wrap over and I kind of just pull the voltages that I need. Luckily, I don't fluctuate that much in voltage range, but it's still a bit of a ways and it could be a little bit of hassle from time to time, especially when I am in and focused, locked in, tattooing. That could be an inconvenience at times. So those are two drawbacks that I did personally notice upon using this wireless power supply. However, for the price point and performance, those drawbacks kind of did match up and kind of even this thing out. So for this power supply, I would definitely give it a 4 stars, 3.5, 4 stars, and a thumbs up. I do recommend it, checking it out at the very least because of its affordability, especially if you're needing a power supply and you're not certain which one to get. This one is reliable, it performs, the performance is there, the affordability is there. However, setup and wrapping is a little bit lacking in my professional opinion. Other than that, definitely worth checking out. Now, if I didn't touch base on anything specific, if you have any questions about anything that you saw or heard throughout this video, I'm going to encourage you, drop a comment down below. I'm going to do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. I also have social medias all under the same name as this YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I would truly appreciate the support on there as well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me and ring that bell, as I'm going to be bringing more videos like this for you all. Thank you for tuning in yet again. You have a great day.